Hey there, fellow mattress industry and furniture industry store owners, leaders, and managers. So this video is all about my apology to you. First, I did not get enough promotion out before our deadline for my event in April 22nd, 23rd in Lancaster, Pennsylvania at Gardner's Mattress and More. We're calling it the MRT Profit Lab, the decision experience, so you can tilt the market in your favor and remove what is proven time and again not to be the number one concern, price. Move that way down the list and move trust and your authority way up the list. And so that event is April 22nd to the 23rd in Lancaster, PA. You get to leave your store on a Tuesday, and if you want, go home Thursday night at 7 o'clock out of the airport, and we'll power pack 2 days of intense growth and opportunity right into your business, into your mind, with an action plan that you can take home. Now, I want to tell you, I'm coming to you from a place of I've been where you're at. Decade or more ago, woke up middle of the night thinking about finances, worrying about employees, worrying about, are we going to make payroll? Are we going to make the rent? All of that stuff that you likely are going through or have gone through or still go through from time to time. All of those problems you've had, we've lived them. We've overcome. This weekend, specifically yesterday, $30,000 of sales in 2 hours. I wasn't at the store. My business partner wasn't at the store. We didn't even have all three full-time salespeople on the floor at the time. 30 grand, two people, 2 hours. Total peace of mind. I worked on my toys. I detailed my truck, washed my slingshot, fixed my motorcycle. So when the weather breaks, I'm ready to ride. That was my Sunday. What was your Sunday? What was your Saturday? My Saturday, I went to the RV show because 2 years from now, we're going to buy a brand new kick-ass RV. We're starting to plan that now. What was your Saturday like? Our Saturday, full transparency, sucked. 6 grand. That's it. Two sales. Two of those people came back Sunday. Moved the needle forward a lot faster. See, when you move price down the ladder and move trust and authority up, you win. And so I invite you to join us in Lancaster, April 22nd, 23rd. Again, you can leave on a Tuesday, get back home late Thursday night. Obviously, you can travel how you want, but I'm just laying out the opportunity for you. 2 days, intensive, in-store, opportunity to work together, to discuss, and then classroom. Opportunity to work together to discuss how to tilt that market in your favor, how to lower price and up trust and authority, how you can be the number one person in your market. Full transparency also. There's 3 top 100s on our street. Raymore and Flanagan, Sleep Number, Ashley Furniture. On our street. There's 4 other places to buy a mattress on our street. 2 top 100 national and regional chains in our town with at least 4 units each. A bunch of independent furniture stores, handful of independent mattress stores. We've got all the clubs, all the departments, all the chains, everything you have. Your market ain't any different. Your mind is different. Let's fix that. April 22nd, April 23rd in Lancaster at Gardner's Mattress and More. Come experience an amazing event that's unlike anything else you've done. If you heard about our event in Las Vegas Saturday night, this past January, you know we do events different. You know you'll leave with a roadmap, and we promise that. You will leave with a roadmap to tilt this market in your favor, lower price, and bring up trust and authority. You will leave with a roadmap to financial freedom, to a freedom of peace of mind, of not waking up in the middle of the night. Freedom of when payroll day comes, just hit enter and send, not pull from my savings account, not decide, do I get a paycheck or not? That's the kind of thing we're looking to implement and install in your mind, in your business in April. Now, where I was remiss, I didn't get quite enough promotion out there for this event. So I'm going to extend for 2 days, 48 hours from Monday, March 2nd. An extra $500 discount. You'll have to DM me, email me directly where you're seeing this video, or on email or Facebook Messenger or my cell phone if you have it. Just message me directly and say, I want in. So I want in, you'll save $500, 48 hours only for that discount. After that, it's back to our MSRP price on the event. Okay. So would love for you to join us. I think I've shared what I needed to share with you here. Again, MRT Profit Lab, April 22nd, 23rd. Come in on Tuesday, leave that Thursday night. We'll install in your mind the ways, the levers, the leverage, the pathways, the abilities to lower price, raise trust and authority so you're the place to invest in sleep, invest in a mattress, and be the trusted resource in your market. Send me a DM. I want in, an email. I want in, a text. I want in, a comment where you're watching this. I want in, and we'll link up and I'll get you the details in full. All right. 48 hours to save that $500. Otherwise, it goes away. We'll talk soon. Have a great day.